One more great find that I wanted to share with you guys are these cute little latch storage totes. I found them at Bed Bath & Beyond, and I love them because they fit inside those storage ottomans that I showed you guys earlier, and they're great for storing things. This one I have all with command strips, but then once we use them, we'll be able to repurpose this, and again, she could put whether it's other overflow toiletries or batteries or whatever. But all of these are nice and stackable, which is great. So they could go for under bed storage, they could go for the top of the closet storage, or inside, like I said, those storage ottomans. And it's nice because all of her stuff is zoned by a different category. So she's got school supplies up here, medicine and first aid there, toiletries here, and then kind of the household stuff. So it's great, we know exactly where to grab and go without everything getting jumbled up. For more inspiration, follow Simply Be Organized on Instagram or subscribe to our YouTube channel at Simply Be Organized.